Welcome to part 2. Let's try to get this rebuilt economically. We'll go over some other stuff and see if we can get it running sooner than later.
Flush, wash, back to the garage, lively and my tragic saga, fuel, spark, my zack, prayer, plus a whole lot of extra air. One last bowl, one last shit, please don't gurgle.
In less than a week, it is supposed to be 70 degrees. It is the 1st of March, and by Saturday, it's supposed to be 70 something. So let's see what we have to fix, and maybe we'll get it running in a week. Excuse the mess at this desk. But yeah, what we gotta do is find what parts we need. I'm trying to get everything in a basket so we can get everything by next weekend. But I need to find everything with 2-day delivery, because I have less than a week. Check this out, old bendy ring. What? Not supposed to be like that. Also, it's cleaned up now. The cylinder's off getting ported, but this was all just gasket maker. No gasket here. There was like a piece of it here. The rest was just black gasket maker. Son of a gun. Burning that pipe, Mason.
Yeah, it's cool.
Gonna be like a brand new silencer. Okay, it is currently Thursday evening, 2 days away from when I want to ride. I got tonight and tomorrow night. Got the new water pump in today. New clutch cover gasket on the bottom end. The cylinder better come through tomorrow. Hit a little snag. I thought those front wheel bearings were bad, and upon further inspection, they're just the wrong wheel spacers for the 20 mil axle. It looks like 22 mil wheel spacers, so the bearings weren't even bad, but I can't use that wheel right now. I mean, I think KKE makes the right wheel spacers for it, but I don't have that kind of time. I did find someone to loan me a wheel, and I feel bad because right now I'm on my way. I should be buying a complete wheel with a tire to put on tonight so I can ride Saturday. So that's where I'm headed, and I'll talk to you in a minute. We secured a wheel, no spacers. I have spacers coming. They're supposed to be here by tomorrow, but when I actually check the UPS tracking, it's like, no, they're not. So let's see what I got at the house, and maybe I could just borrow some spacers for the weekend.
Yeah, you wanna give me a pick?
I got an engine in a box. I got a polished expansion chamber. I got a polished repacked silencer. Put some handguards on last night. It is Friday, it's the last day to get this done. Big thank you to my students that worked on this. They helped me complete the engine, they polished this pipe. They let me borrow some wheel spacers because I did get a wheel. Hopefully we can get that worked out tonight. I think most of this is gonna be time lapse now. So cross your fingers I get it done, but I guess you'll find out.
I'm as hard as a chisel, hanging with my sizzle. Let's ride some dirt bikes. Why sizzle to fizzle? I'm as hard as a chisel, hanging with my sizzle. Let's ride some dirt bikes. Kickstart thunder, hear the pipe crack sizzle. 2-stroke scream, yeah, the wiser got the grizzle.
Had to take a quick pause here. Forgot my freaking chain breaker here. I need to look for a spring, and if you look here, this air filter is ridiculous. I forgot to clean it, and that's what it looks like, and I'm already starting to clean it, but look at the difference there. Yikes.
Roof frame flash when I twist up the throttle. Roots fly high like a shaking soda bottle. Helmet on, clutch pop, yeah, your girl is chopped. Dirt in the air when the YZ ride. Why sizzle to fizzle? I'm as hard as a chisel, hanging with my sizzle. Let's ride some dirt bikes. Why sizzle to fizzle? I'm as hard as a chisel, hanging with my sizzle. Let's ride some dirt bikes. Premix smell when the engine go brap. 250 bark, then your girl gets clapped. Wide open track and the berms get carved. Wise Fit True 50 running mean and hard. Full send flying, almost smashed my dick. Why Zizzle whipping? Yeah, the two-stroke sick. Why Zizzle, two fizzle? I'm as hard as a chisel, hanging with my Zizzle. Let's ride some dirt. Why Zizzle, two fizzle? I'm as hard as a chisel, hanging with my Zizzle. Let's
We are getting closer to the first start. I didn't time-lapse everything, but the air filter has got to go in. The pipe is on. There is coolant in it. I need to put trans fluid in it. Fixed a lot of these bolts that were stripped. You can see here I had to nut the back of that one. Had to make something work with here. I was out of hose clamps, so that's what we got right now. I did fill the system with coolant, like I said. We'll have to nut the back of this brake pedal. I have the right bolt for it. Other stuff I'm just trying to cobble together. Got the carb on right. No clutch cable in right now. I think I'm gonna do a first start. You know, air filter, fuel. I gotta dump out this old fuel and put in some new stuff and see what happens. All right, I still got tools everywhere, and I over-oiled the air filter and the carb's leaking again. The needle and seat probably isn't going up. But this should be a first start. I'm just gonna see if it starts. I didn't try to start it at all yet. Just gonna kick it through a couple times and then give her hell. I'm gonna choke it, but we'll see for how long. Let's see what happens here. I had to shut the gas off and the fuel off. Whew. I think it's gonna start. Now I'm going to continue putting it together, tighten up loose bolts, stuff like that.
Well, we did it. Mike's running, ready to go for tomorrow. Stay tuned for part 3, where we're going to rip this thing around.
I'm as hard as a chisel, hanging with my Zizzle. Let's rise, rise, sizzle, two fizzle. I'm as hard as a chisel, hanging with my Zizzle. Let's rise some dirt, rise.